I was running some drills recently with some local law enforcement agencies out here in Pennsylvania, and while doing those drills, one of the stations set up with the AR-15 was behind a barrel. And what we did, there were two targets on the right hand side and two targets to the left of the barrel. So when my weapon was first placed, we transitioned from pistol to AR-15, which was at the station. I picked up the weapon, engaged the first two targets from my left shoulder, which is not my primary shoulder, and then I switched to my right shoulder, which is my primary shoulder, and then shifted my weight and then engaged the other two targets. And one of the officers had asked me why I did that, and what I told him is that you're not always going to be able to shoot with your primary shoulder, and to minimize exposure you want to get into a habit of transitioning from your weapon shoulder to your reaction shoulder to effectively engage the target. So when I first came up on station, I had the weapon like this, picked it up off the ground, engaged behind the barricade, popped out, bang bang, bang bang, those two targets. Then I switched my shoulders, came over behind the other barricade, switched out this way, bang bang, bang bang, and then came back behind cover. One of the reasons that you don't want to always shoot from your primary shoulder, or what they call your weapon shoulder, is that if I've got the barricade here and I'm here, my target now runs over this way. I don't want to come over here because now all this is exposed and I have a potential of being shot. So to minimize my exposure behind cover, that's when you transition from one shoulder to the other to minimize your exposure to properly engage.